Today, we're talking about the method of mixing platform glue for 3D sign printer. When we print different types of signage, we need to use different density of platform glue. This way can make printing smoother when printing signage with grid on the surface. Suggest using a 1:3 ratio of platform glue when we print with high requirements for luminous surfaces and large flat surfaces ones. Suggest using a 1:5 ratio of platform glue. When we just print the line, we need the platform with stronger stickiness. Suggest using a 1:1 ratio of platform glue. We need to prepare 2 empty bottles. We use the 1:3 ratio of platform glue as an example. We firstly prepare the corresponding raw glue liquid for weighing. After placing the empty bottles, pour in 90 grams of raw glue liquid. Then we pour 270 grams of water in a 1:3 ratio. Mix the water and the raw glue liquid together. Cover tightly and mix softly. Gently shake and mix evenly. Preparing 60 ml of raw glue liquid, pour into an empty bottle. Then pour 180 ml of water in a 1:3 ratio. Pour 60 ml of glue into a bottle containing 180 ml of water. Cover tightly and gently shake to mix evenly. Then we finish and have a 1:3 ratio of platform glue.